5 seconds 10. Japanese veggie dishes, zero stress. I'm giving you fast, balanced, umami-packed sides that turn a bowl of rice into a proper meal. Ready? 1. Tsunamono, crisp cucumber salad. Thinly slice 2 Persian cucumbers. Salt, wait 5 minutes, squeeze rice vinegar and sugar, go in sesame seeds on top, tart, sweet, refreshing. Absolute palate reset. 1. Spinach Goma-ae, nutty, savory, and ridiculously simple. Blanch spinach, 45 seconds, ice bath squeeze. Cut crushed toasted sesame soy. A touch of sugar, toss until glossy. It's like spinach got a tuxedo. 1. Kabocha no nimono, simply simmered squash. Cubed kabocha. Water with a pinch of dashi. Soy, mirin. Sugar, skin side down. Gentle simmer. 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool in the liquid so it drinks the flavor. Sweet, creamy, elegant. 1. Quintessential carrots. Sweet, salty, a tiny kick. Julienne carrots. Sesame oil in a hot pan. Quick sauté soy, mirin, chili flakes. Cook it down until glazed and shiny, great crunch. Brilliant with rice. 1. Nasu dengaku. Miso glazed eggplant candy. Score the flesh, pan fry. Or broil till soft, miso, mirin, sugar. Spread. Then broil 2 minutes until it bubbles and caramels. Silky inside, sticky top. Addictive. 1. Asazuki, 5-minute cabbage pickles. Chopped cabbage, salt, a touch of sugar, pinch of kombu dashi if you've got it. Into a bag, massage like you mean it for 2 minutes. Chill 10, squeeze, done bright, snappy, cleans the palate. 1. Yasai itame, home-style stir-fry. Oil hot, ginger and first hard veg like carrots and cabbage, then sprouts and onions. High heat, keep it moving. Finish with soy and a dash of white pepper, off the heat, so it stays crisp. 1. Ohitashi, blanched greens, clean and delicate. Blanch bok choy or broccolini, shocked cold. Submerge in dashi with a splash of soy, chill at least 30 minutes. It's subtle, it's serene, it's balance in a bowl. 1. Garlic edamame, izakaya favorite. Boil frozen pods 3 minutes. In a pan, gently toast minced garlic in oil. Toss edamame, a little chili oil, salt. You'll keep going back for one more. 1. Japanese potato salad, creamy, slightly sweet. Boil potatoes, mash while hot with a touch of rice vinegar. Cool, then fold in thin cucumber, soft carrot, and Kewpie mayo smooth. Crunchy, dreamy. Here's how I'd plate a fast veggie spread. Start with tsunamono and asazuki for brightness. Add Goma-ae and kinpira for nutty sweet depth. Nasu dengaku brings the umami bomb. Kabocha adds comfort. Yasai itame for sizzle. Ohitashi for calm garlic. Edamame for snacking. And the potato salad to tie it all together. Rice on the side, always. Pro tips, toast your sesame seeds, always. Taste your soy. Brands vary in saltiness. Keep your knife sharp for thin slices. And let hot dishes rest a minute. Flavors settle, textures improve. If you cook one tonight, start with Goma-ae or kinpira. 10 minutes, massive payoff. Like this? I've got a dozen more sides that make vegetables the star. Hit subscribe, grab your rice bowl, and let's cook smarter.